Ankita Padole. I am from Tulsiramji Patil College of Engineering and Technology from 3rd year Civil Department. We are discuss about that subject design of steel structure. We are take one topic simple beam. Definition: a beam, also called as simply supported beam, is a type beam that support at both ends. One end of the beam as a hinge or beam support and the other end has a roller supports. Thus supports allow the beam to rotate freely but do not allow vertically move. Description: a simple beam is that most basic type of a beam used in engineering and constructions. It is a statical determinant measuring minimize its supports reaction can be found using only their three equation of statics equilibrium. Supports in simple beam. A beam has two main supports. One is hinge or pin support. Second is roller. About that built-up beam. Definition: a built-up beam is a type of composite or fabricated beam that is made by joining two or more structures steel section together to act as a single stronger unit. Purpose of using built-up beam to increase strength and load carrying capacity of the beam. To span longer distance where a single rolled section is not sufficient. To reduce deflection and improve stiffness. Material use: structure, steel plate, rolled steel structure, high strain bolt or welding